Yeah. How are you doing there? What are you doing there? How are you doing there? Ah, are you okay? Are you okay? Hi! Hi, Survivor Lamb! Ayan po sa harap si Survivor Lamb. Guys, this is from the tub. My husband just broke it so that he can throw it from over there. From inside the barn. There. The ice. Look at guys. Do you want halo-halo? Guys. No, it's not a clean water. That's the water we put in the tub for them to drink inside the barn. Look at guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Go. Go. They want to fight Jack. Come on. Go there and eat. Do you want to give them grains, Sam? Yeah? Oh, they follow you. They're looking for grains. Want grain, huh? Pregnant?
Lynn.
What? Oh, you're gonna close it.
You gotta wait for tonight. Tonight
Okay.
I'll give you grains. You're right back in the barn again.
Yeah. Go. Go over there. Come on. You go. Yeah. Go eat hay. Go eat grass. Go.
Okay.
You need the light bulb?
Well, not ready for that.
Oh, the hole?
Yeah, where I'm trying to put two wires. It's not really designed. So they already got babies. Wow.
That's pigeon?
That's a pigeon.
Oh.
Oh,
I wonder where's the nest.
right
Oh,
over
look
there.
Huh?
It's in the very corner on top of that post on the wall. You can see
Oh, okay.
her. See her sitting there?
Yep.
Where's he at, Jack? Where? I know he's up there, Jack. I know it. Where?
That's the mama. Yeah.
He heard the Pidgey.
That's cold for the baby. Over there. Their nest on the corner. Top corner. Right, Jack? Hmm? Won't be able to reach them, Jack. Just stay here. No, you can't. Hey, leave them alone. That's the baby. They're babies. Yeah, it's cold to have a baby. Maybe it messes them up during the warm days we have.
I would think so.
Yeah, and they mate and they think it's already springtime. So
I told you it was mating season today.
yeah. Hindi po mapakali si Jack Jack. No, you cannot reach it. Yeah, they're birds. They can fly. No. Leave the pigeon alone.
I hear him. I hear him. I hear him.
No, leave the pigeon alone. Yeah.
I hear him. Do you hear him? I do. Yeah, I hear him. He gets me excited. Does he get you excited too? Makes me excited. I do, I hear him.
And then what? What are you gonna do with the pigeon?
Oh, he
Huh?
carried it around in his mouth. He'll be happy.
No. You should not hurt the pigeon. You don't want to hurt the, what is that? Possum.
Hey, Lynn.
No, you want to hurt the pigeon.
Get that light.
Okay, let's see. Oh, and there is light. There you go. We have lights. Success. Success, Jack. We have light. Yeah, baby. Yes. So they will get inside here.
Yeah.
They will get inside here. Then they will wait. Some of them that will fit this area. And then they will walk here. And they're gonna come out over here. This door here. And then he will... Oh, he has kind of like as a... What you call that? Where he can set his shearer. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Do you want me to carry this? Cow? Yeah. Okay, guys. They need to go back here. Hey, get out! Get out! So, temporarily we put hay. Another one, and We're gonna add more. Gonna change the light. Gonna change the light. Okay, we'll hold it. Jack, get out there. Hey, get out. No. Hey. No. No.
Right, what do you think?
Yep. Yeah, that's better than the other. Hey!
I would assume that's what, daylight then?
That one?
Is that
Yeah.
what they would probably call the daylight bulb?
I guess. Well, when you buy bulb, you're gonna see it. They have a sample there. Okay. So he's gonna add more. Ito. Hey! Come on! Hey! Hey! I will let you out. I will put you at the back of the pickup truck. Come on! You're stepping on their food. This is their food. Hey! Go back. No. 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 Oh! Hey, no! Hey, cow! There's one here. There's one pigeon here on the... Did you see, guys? Over there. Over here. Over here. Don't come near. Over here.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why he keeps on looking here.
Oh, them are babies. The babies are already growing, Lynn.
Oh my God, that's babies already?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's baby already. Oh. So he cannot fly yet.
Oh, he can fly, but you don't want to chase him because
Yep. Okay, let's go.
you can't fly good, probably.
Yeah. They're back inside. We gave them some grains. They're not gonna get inside if we don't have something to give them. So they're ready for tomorrow. The shearer will be here 10:10. Okay.